Yeah, shalom family, shalom. Guys, I hope you guys can hear me. I know this phone speaker is a little bit off, but today we are about to go look at some places for sale. So, you know, you are journey behind the scenes. So just stay tuned to the end. We're gonna let you guys see what we got going on today. We're in a taxi now, headed there. So we're about to go get some lunch before we meet the person. And yeah, just stay tuned. And thanks for subscribing to Journey Behind the Scenes. Yeah, I'll tell you guys, this is probably the worst traffic I've experienced here in Mauritius, but it's still moving. It's not like Tanzania. Tanzania, we will be here for 2 hours waiting, moving an inch at a time. But yeah, this is the little landscape that this is one of the main roads that we take. It's beautiful businesses, you know, pool maintenance here, spa, some carpet, some coating and stuff, and it's I want to say a Shell gas station up there. But yeah, this is Mauritius landscape. They have paved roads, nice buildings, electric poles. It's so different from Tanzania, guys, I'll tell you that. The buildings look super nice, clean, nice cars. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful taxis too. So if you guys want to see the taxis, you know, just let me know, and we'll leave his description and the link. My guy Gilliam, he's an awesome taxi driver here. He drives us around. You know, it's very comfortable. His car is very comfortable, very nice. He's always chill, and he gives me good information about everything here in Mauritius, especially the area that we are in. It's called Grand Bay. Yeah, like this is Mauritius, y'all. So stay tuned. Yes, family. So we just got done. We just got done shopping. Why you looking like that, huh?
You just
Yeah, I be pulling it out. Be like, yo, hey, I just got done shopping. Yeah, we just got done shopping. We're just waiting for the taxi. Then we're gonna be heading home. As you see right now, we are a family. We are journeying with us, and we are a family of 4. We are a family of 4 for a couple hours, so you know, just enjoying. We gotta make the best of the time. Say hi, Za.